Hello, today we are not playing Minecraft, we are playing Hytale, and I want to show a little glitch that if you stand on a whale right here and you place a whale here, then you can glitch into a wall and then you have a giant X-ray thing. And if you walk around in here, then you always go in the opposite of the direction you walk in, and you can also walk very fast as long as you don't hit a cave and go back into bounds again. So yeah, that's now, if you dig all the way down to bedrock level, then there are usually no naturally generated caves down here. So if we now do the glitch here, then you can just walk very far and very quickly. You just need to avoid the lava lakes. But this is a very fast transportation method. Like usually, like nothing else is as fast as this, as far as I can tell. And I think the reason why this okay. Well, there's a flaw with this thing, and namely you can die. Ah, I just lost all my stuff somewhere down at Bedrock. Isn't that wonderful? So next attempt, we glitch into a wall. We can walk around, and then yeah, okay. And here we are safe. Okay, we managed to survive. Yay! And now, if we want to then go further after we have recharged energy, and let me put a torch here so that I can see something. If we now want to go further, we place a whale here, and then we are off again. Okay, so we managed to fast travel over here. Now we need to dig 2 down and then jump, I think. Oh no, it was bad. Okay, yeah. So you need to dig like a too high thing, and you need to jump a lot, and then you have a chance of getting it. And you need to do this every now and then, so you don't suffocate. And then you can continue again like this. Oh, okay. And I now landed in lava. That's wonderful. Yeah, okay. Yeah, whatever. That's everything.